Hear that jingling, soft and round.
What if Santa comes and I miss him?
Santa only comes when kids are asleep.
What if he gets lost?
He doesn't get lost, remember?
If I hear bells, can I wake up?
No.
Only if it's important.
Santa finds the kids who believe.
I believe a lot.
I know you do.
Good night.
It's nice of you to sleep on the floor.
Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna miss Santa Claus. Turn off the lights, please.